Hey guys, do another smart house update. So basically, I wanted the garage door openers to be smart. So this is probably the cheapest way that I found you can do it with. So I found these. These are the iris door sensors. You can use a tilt sensor or anything like that. But I picked these up like when they were going through a closeout at Lowe's. So I got them for like $9 a piece. So yeah, I just made this little hinge contraption. And yep, so when the garage door goes up, this will swing down, saying the garage is open, vice versa. Pretty easy. And then, so I'll show you right now. So I've got it set up in the smartthings app, garage opener 1, name it whatever you want. So go ahead and push that. There we go. Push it again, can stop it. And down she goes. Pretty easy. And then, so it's for the, let me find it here. And I have a car garage. And yep, so this will say closed, open, whatever, like, you know, wherever you want to put it. And then, of course, you can do web core, all that kind of stuff. Basically, whatever you want. So I'll show you kind of setup here. Motorcycle, it's come along. Got some news coming here shortly. It's finally warm enough to actually work on it and stuff. So here's the hardware to set it up. Basically, it's a Node MCU, kind of playing off like if you're familiar with Connected, sort of that setup. That's actually where I got the relay from. So basically it's Node MCU with the board or the base, and then a 2 relay switchboard. And so I'll probably take some better pictures here. I don't know how well the GoPro's gonna pick it up. But basically on the relay there's an input and an output. And so that is the blue and the pinkish purple wire, and that goes to D1 and D2 on there. So that's the actual data transfer from SmartThings. And then it's got a VCC and a ground. VCC is basically the power. And so I have one for the one relay, and the second relay is plugged into there. There's a 3-volt and a ground on there. And then I have a little buzzer. I don't have that set up yet. I still play around with it, but if I sound it here, basically it's like if garage door, you know, opener is pushed, then buzz, you know, stuff like that. There's a beep on that. You can change it a little bit. I think, you know, how many times it beeps or how long the beep is, that kind of stuff. And then here is the wires from the garage door opener. So I just have the one relay connected so far. I've got a bunch of junk covering that one. So I'm waiting until it gets a little warmer, I can throw that crap out. But that'll basically go into the NO2 and COM2 on the second relay. And then I'll plug those in, actually, so the D2 connection on here is actually for the second relay. So I just gotta plug the garage door opener into the relay, and that'll be all set up. So basically what I got going on here, so the wire comes up through here, comes up all the way through here, and goes into, I don't know if you can see the black and red wire, is basically where it goes into. Pretty easy. Do the same thing on the other side, connect it up, should be good to go. So yeah, kind of a little overview. I'll put all the links and stuff, but I bought they're female to female jumper cables. That's basically all you need. Make your own whatever, and you just need I think it's a 12 volt or 10 volt, I forget which it is, a power adapter for the Node MCU. It doesn't come with it. It's basically all you need. So I'll make a little post in the SmartThings community, basically detailing every step I took, what I bought, and how I made it work. And if you have been looking for like a garage door opener, a smartthings one, you know, there's like the Go Control, which is like $75. There's a Chamberlain makes smart garage opener, but you have to kind of get a device handler, and you know it's not native, so that can maybe deter some people off. This is a pretty easy one. I think I paid maybe $20 total, and yeah, it works like a charm.